Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we would be learning about number system. So basically, number system is used in digital electronics to represent the numbers. Because we are familiar with the number system that is count up to 10 numerals. Okay? So that means its base is 10 and the numbers are from 0 to 9. Okay? We are including 0, that is why we have a base 10 and it is used for expressing any arbitrary number. So this number system is popularly known as decimal number system. Now we'll be discussing the detailed lecture upon it. Okay, now let's move further. Types of number system. There are 4 types of number system: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Okay, let's discuss them also. First, we have decimal number system. I have written the heading at the bottom of the page. Okay, its base is 10. You have to remember the bases of all the number system. So in this case, the position of the digits indicates the magnitude of the quantity. That means we can assign them as weight, and weight will be whole numbers. That means positive powers of 10 increases from right to the left and beginning from 10 to the power 0. And as we have studied in mathematics, 10 to the power 0 or a to the power 0, where a is any constant. It could be 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Anything to the power 0 would be equal to 1. So I have taken an example 6432. So just see at the right side. It's like 6 into 10 to the power 0. Then we are increasing the powers. Then it would be plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 2 and so on until the digits are completed in the question. Okay, so we will be solving the numerical of decimal number system like this. So we can say these are the weights of the decimal. Next we have binary number system. It has a base 2 and it is another way to represent quantities. But in this case, the position of 1 or 0, it indicates the weight or the value within the number. And here also the weight of the powers are based on the powers of 2. Like in the case of decimal number, it was 10 to the power 0 and so on. Similarly, in binary number system, it would again be 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1. Same. That means same positive whole powers. Okay. Now let's move. So next we have octal number system. Its base is 8. That means we'll be including the values from 0 to 7. And as we know that digital circuit process only 2 values, that is zeros and ones. So octal number have to be converted to the binary from employing the special circuit known as octal to binary converters before processed by the digital circuits. Okay, now I'll show you a table in which we have octal to binary. So since octal has digits from 0 to 7, so it is already there in the table and their binary equivalent are given in front of them. Okay, 000 up to 111. So you have to learn this table, but I'll tell you the short trick how you are going to learn this. Okay, but in the upcoming videos. Lastly, we have hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6 and decimal is your 10. So it is combination of hexa and decimal number system. That is why it has a base 16. But what is the advantage of using this system? To reduce the length of given number. It is quite common to use this system, and this system is also known as alphanumeric number system. But why? Because in this system both the numeric digits, that means 1 2 3 4, and alphabets, that is ABCD, both are used to represent the digits in this system. That is why it is called alphanumeric system or alphanumeric number system. Now again I have a table for it. So you can also refer it from the system. On the left side, it's your hexadecimal. Since it has 16 values, including 0. So until 9, it is same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, from 10 to 15, you can see we have used A for 10, B for 11, and F for 15, isn't it? So that is also important. So while doing the numerical based on hexadecimal, you will not write 10. Instead of 10, you will write A. Instead of 11, you will write B. Okay, because it is just opposite to the other number system. That is why it is alphanumeric. Okay, and decimal methods already there, 0 to 15 sim values, and in binary, like it was there in the octal number system, we were having 3 values, but here we have 4 digits in one particular value. So I'll also tell you a short trick how to learn this. So both the tables are important, so you should learn it. Okay, so this was all about this video.